If you're looking to add a professional touch to your cooking, look no further than the gorgeous kitchen whipped cream dispenser. These are used in professional kitchens and restaurants around the country. And it's so easy to use at home and adds so much great flavor, so you can say goodbye to store-bought whipped cream. Here's how it works. You're going to fill the canister with your ingredients, screw on the lid, and then pressurize the canister using these nitrous oxide cartridges. The gorgeous kitchen dispenser works with all standard 8-gram nitrous oxide cartridges. The gorgeous kitchen whipped cream dispenser is made of high quality aluminum, so you can pop them into the fridge to chill them, and it comes with 3 nozzles for different applications. Making whipped cream with this dispenser is so easy and fun. You can add different flavors and make fresh sugar-free whipped cream using your favorite sweetener. You'll use your whipper all the time to whip cream, and it's such a time saver. I've already made my whipped cream base, and this is made from cream, maple syrup, and a little bit of vanilla. And then I'm just gonna pour that directly into the canister and put the lid on and pressurize the canister. Pop the nitrous oxide cartridge into the holder, screw it into the top, and you'll hear the gas release into the canister. Now I'm gonna give this a good shake, and you can already feel it getting cold, and that's actually pretty cool. So now we can unscrew this part. And side note, these canisters are good for just one use only. And then we can put the lid on, which is right here. And I'm going to use the lotus tip, so I will put that on there. And at this point, well, before I put the lotus tip on, if I wasn't using my whipped cream right away, I could pop this into the refrigerator, but I'm super ready to eat my cheesecake, so we're just gonna do it now. So once you have your tip on, just give it one more shake and then flip it over vertically and squeeze gently. And look at how fast and easy that was. I didn't even need to whip it by hand or use my stand mixer. So be sure to check out the gorgeous kitchen whipped cream dispenser on Amazon. You will not be disappointed.